Hey everyone, I'm doing an unboxing of some Puma shoes we just picked up. This one is the BMW MMS RCAT. MSRP is $90, but it was on sale, so I got it a little cheaper than that. Looks pretty good. Not bad. I like the color scheme. Basically blue or black mainly. So I like these black soles. It shouldn't get dirty very fast, or it'll keep looking new. And these run kind of small. For Pumas, I wear size 11.5, and other shoes I wear about a size 11, but they're pretty narrow, so then I fit better in the 11.5s. But this says BMW M Sport and Motorsport. Little BMW logo too, and BMW Motorsport. This side you can see the emblem. So it's BMW, in the back it's Puma logo. What the insides look like. So the stitching, let's see. There's some red right there. Looks like from the liner in the inside, somehow it's on the outside. You can see a couple like glue residue on the bottom, so it's not perfect. The stitching looks pretty good. It's evenly spaced. I don't see any threads really hanging out anywhere from the stitching. Let's see that shoe. Yeah, same on this side. You can see glue residue all along the sole. But the stitching looks pretty good. This one looks like it's cut a little long, so it overlaps over the blue. Stitching looks good. No strings hanging anywhere, no threads. There's a little more glue residue right here as well. Yeah, and then on the tongue, there's a logo. There you have it. All right, well, that's basically it. Thanks for watching.